Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video in the View into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome weather watch face that you guys got to check out. And you got to download this one because it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of this watch face is called New Weather. This guy, he always gets down. I'm going to leave his name and the link in the description down below where you guys can go check out this awesome watch face. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check this watch face out. Now, in AOD mode, it does have a good look. You are going to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, we don't get many good looking weather watch faces, not enough. This one here definitely looks awesome and it's worth having on your wrist over the weekend, especially if you're going to be dressing down super casual. I do like this look. Now let's look at the weather up at the top. First of all, you are going to get your weather. You're going to get what type of weather you're having in the area. Right now it's saying I have clear skies, and you're also going to get your humidity as well. You come down to the left, you're going to get your date surrounded by the days of the week, and it's going to highlight it to let you know what day of the week it is, which is awesome. And you're going to also get nice legible digital time with animated seconds and a PM stamp. Now if you come down just a little bit more, it's going to tell you what area you're in, how many months we are into the year, how many weeks we are into the year, and you'll also get your battery percentage as well. Now the layout and the design of this watch face is definitely on point. It is a good look for casual dress down wear. Not bad at all. But I love the features and functions that's been added to this watch face as well. You can make a phone call, go into your alarm, as health. You can also go into your settings, tap into your music. So this isn't a bad look at all for a weather watch face, being a digital watch face as well. And it is interactive. So if I need to go into my S Health or make a phone call, I just tap and it opens it right up. It's small, but it's not bad to get into. It will open up right away if you tap on it, so don't worry about that. Again, remember, it's free for the taking. Download it, check it out, see if you like it. Now if I want to, I could tap right here and I could pull up my date information, which I thought was cool. What else I thought was awesome is that if I don't like Fahrenheit, I could go ahead and tap on it, double tap, and I could change it to Celsius as well. Not bad. Me, I like Fahrenheit, so we'll leave it at Fahrenheit. Again, I thought this was a good look, and we are going to talk about the color theme, right? So if you want to change the color theme, double tap here on the LCD, and it will change the color theme to whatever color theme you want. The color coordinate with whatever it is that you're wearing for that day, which isn't bad at all. Now, what I like about it, if you want to lighten it up, you can. You want to darken it up, just keep tapping, and it would definitely darken it back up. I want to change it to a nicer color. What do you think thus far, people? I thought the guy did a good job. Also, if I single tap here, I can change the color theme of the date information as well to whatever color I want to mix and match with. I thought this was a good look. I thought the developer definitely did a good job so far as a weather digital watch face is concerned. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't leave before you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos. And also, people, enjoy. Have a great weekend. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.